golden mile.
Oh, you said Apple support mentioned about us and the.
I think it was Apple support. I remember seeing a phone doctor.
Okay, and then the.
You break, I fix.
Okay, were you there earlier today?
Just before I came here.
Oh, okay.
I was sent there by Best Buy.
Wow, interesting.
Well, Apple support had originally recommended had given me two options. I chose the Best Buy because that one I was most familiar with. They couldn't fix it, so they told me the only place they knew was You Break, I Fix. So I went to You Break, I Fix, and they said, well, the only place that we know if that can do it is you. So
Interesting.
so here I am.
Yeah, I'm so happy.
Behold, you are the one who can do it.
Yeah, I'm so glad that You Break and I Fix it referred you over. They're nice people over there. All right, here you are. I'm going to let you check it out real quick, okay? Make a quick test call.
Yep.
Say again.
I have no idea whether this is working just fine now.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, if you don't mind, grab a couple of my cards.
Thank you. Let me just see if I can pull up a
Fist bump to go.
fist bump.
Yeah,
All right.
Thank you.
You take